Guys, I really do not know what happened to my previous life, but I am back again. Something happened with my internet connection, I guess. So, but now we are back. Now, this down move is indicating another liquidity grab is about to happen. On higher time frame, we do not have that much. If it is going below this fair value gap and below this one order block, then we can see for shorts. Right now, no shorts. And for euro also, there is very little move. This liquidity level is so near, it's only hardly 8 pips. So it is going to go there, and then we can look for reversals. Not now. This is good. This drop is good. This drop near to this liquidity level, I am not able to understand it. What is there? We do not have any mitigation level here at all. This mitigation level has been mitigated by this particular move on 5 minutes. On 15 minutes, we do not have anything. 1 minute inside rejection order block, maybe we will be able to find something, but it is not that much of worth. No, nothing is there. Whatever is there has been mitigated, so it should take out the liquidity itself. This one got mitigated here itself. This one, I think after. Okay, let's see about this one. Yeah, this has not worked. So we do not have, principally we do not have anything. It should go up, take out this liquidity level. And since euro has to go up, we can also say GBP is also not ready for shorts. As per market structure, it should be. GBP should be. but since euro has to go one more time up, so I am not shorting it, and it is almost near to London close. Near to London close. Instead of looking for short, I will buy and I will look for maybe this order block will work. So I am expecting this to be fake break of structure if it happens. Why it now didn't tap the liquidity? So this is fake break of structure. This one will be internal break of structure. Similarly here also I think this one can be. Okay, 1 minute. Just before London close, 1550s. So this so I'll buy from here. This is 1:4. And this one also should be ready. EU is also ready, but it has not reached up to my level, so maybe we will see price go up, then I will take something from here. Again, this gap down is not good, but let's see. This will be our relative equal highs. Now this will be my break of a structure, because this is the high which sent the lowest one. Let's see. Once it crosses this relative equal highs, I will reduce my risk on both. Let it cross this. So this one did not work, and it took this step, then reaction. It should go up. Now it should go up. For any further delay is not good at all. I am talking, bro. No, any kind of this reaction is not good at all. It has to just go up. Black close is not good. If this candle's high is not being cutted, then its effect will remain. This gap up is good. This gap up is very good, but it has to cut this particular line, this black candle's high, which has turned the market towards the downside. So let's wait for some time, and this consolidation not good at all. Not good. This is not good. 11 minutes remaining to close this particular down. This candle opened downside. Now if it is a doji, it is a good thing. 1 second remain. So what I want from now is for this high to be taken out instead of this low. If this low is being taken out, then I am in wrong direction at all. So once this high is being taken out, I will reduce my risk. Let us see. Here also on 5 minutes, this high is important. Yeah, this high, but price is struggling to go up. It should not struggle, it should just go. Gap up is good. Come on. But this consolidation is not good. Too much time, it has taken too much time here. So this can be because of London close has already happened. A lot of profit booking is being done. See this rejection. As soon as price is reaching up to this level, it is getting rejected. Even if it is closing, getting this much rejection. And here we go. This is not good. I need a strong push up with a fair value gap. This is what is required here. If we do not get any fair value gap now, it is not going to pan out. I don't know what happened to GU. So it has tapped this, but this tap is not good at all. Okay, this is our last chance. If price is going to go up, now is the chance. This will be our last chance. So what has happened? Price has done a lot of consolidation here. We need a fair value gap here immediately. If fair value gap is not available, then this particular candle needs to give us a fair value gap. Again, rejection is not good. Black candle. Come on. We really need a fair value gap. That's it. GU has given a fair value gap, but still EU, we need something here. Now this candle will decide if fair value gap will remain open or it will get closed. So we need a bullish candle towards upside. We do not want a black candle here and here also. So this fair value gap is good for us. We will reduce our stops immediately. Okay, before reducing, let us mark the initial. पता नहीं क्या हुआ उसको, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. मुझे नहीं पता, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. इवन अभी मैं माउस भी हिला रहा था ना, तो मेरे हाथ में कंट्रोल नहीं था माउस का. कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है क्या?
लाइफ खत्म हो गई ना.
कहाँ से पता चला? कैसे?
ए पे चले जाओ.
Okay guys, time to take some partials. I am waiting for, this is my initial risk, this is my initial risk, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2. So I am waiting for at least price to move above 1:2 so that I can take out something. And I am struggling with my computer today. So okay, and we will put our stop to break even. Partial taken. EU also. EU also, it is at around 1:2. We will take some partial here. Our EU partial is also ready. Stop to break even. And remaining we can leave. This was some I don't think it is going to hold. Price should go up. Maybe this one. Maybe. But this one is also, this one was the order block. No. This one should not hold. Maybe this one. This one can hold. So our second partial will be here somewhere. And this one in EU can hold. So in EU our second partial will be here. Guys, please like and subscribe the channel. Please hit the like button of this video. high is 35134, low is 35134. There is no fair value gap. I was hoping that if we can get a fair value gap from here somewhere. Now guys, what you can do, move your stops below this particular low, below this low, so that if it comes back, I do not think it is going to hold, but if it comes back, this is market, nobody can predict 100%. If it comes back, your at least 1:2 is secured. Now for this one, it has tapped here. This movement is not good at all. So if it is going to give me a good movement up, I will put my stop loss initially here, and if it goes up with a fair value gap, then below this low. This is good. We have this candle, this is an algo candle, and rejection from this candle is good. Now below we have this sort of demand zone in a smaller time frame, and if we see on 5 minute, this is just above this fair value gap. So I don't know whether it is going to hold and give us a good push up. If this is breaking this low, I am out from this trade. Yes, good, very good. Yes, this is good. Now I need a fair value gap here. After this candle, I need a fair value gap to upside. That will confirm the price movement, or it is a fake move. Now my partial will be here. Next partial can be here. This is not good. This also it has started a consolidation. Now we will waste our time. After taking this low, if it is returning, it is good, otherwise we are out. And I think this low, it is going to take this low, and so yes, our stops are here and here. If we are out, we will close the shop. That's it. क्या बोल रहा था मैं जो बंद हुई है? Let me clear out the brushes. Here also. Now it has given this fair value gap. It is very good. I will move my stops below this low. Move your stops here. It is almost near to the TP. This is your another partial level, 100%. I will take my partials now. This is your partial. This down move is not good at all. We have already done 3 4 1 is to 4 is already done. I don't think this fifth one we will get. You guys can close. This is the last line of support. If anybody wants to close, he can close now. There are two possibilities: either it will go straight down, come back and then go up, or it can take support from here and it can go up, but it is taking some time. This drop is also not good. If fair value gap is broken, then it is going down. Gap down candle. Guys, I think it is time to close the trade. This order block here is the last support, but this gap down is not good. So it is showing that it is going to go down at least up to this level. No point in waiting. Close your trades. It will come here, then it can go up. So that's it for euro. GBP is also going down. For GBP also, this is the last support level. If it goes below, it stops my stop. It is almost there to take out my stop. So my EU is already out. GU is about to get out. So this was it, guys. For EU we took a 1:2. This became 1:2. This was our entry level. Our stop was here. This was our first partial and our stop loss was also placed here. So 1:2.1. That's it. Now it will go down. Another trade is possible on this level. Let me clear out these boxes. So yes, another trade is possible if it taps here, but what I think is it just came down to hit our stops. In EU, this support is still working. This one, let's see if it is able to go up this fair value gap and this fair value gap. If it is going to go up now, it will go up from this fair value gap. Otherwise, it has to go down to this level and then to up, or from here itself up it can go. But this fair value gap is important. Yes, bro, I come live every day. I do not know what happened with my previous stream. I was live just before starting this stream, but my system got disconnected. I don't know why it happened, how it happened, but I do live streaming every day. But I do not do commentary. Commentary time is this time. Whatever time is happening right now in your time zone, in your place, at your place, 1 hour earlier. Right now at my place it is 8:48. So normally commentary I start to do around 7:50, 7:30 like this. But if I am seeing any idea, my live stream will start tomorrow around London session. For me, London session starts at around 12 o'clock. I don't know at what time your London session will start at your location, at your place. For me, it starts at around 12 o'clock, and then so it went down to take out our stops. Now, in order to see, so every day around London session open, my live stream will start, but there will be no audio. I'm sorry. There will be no audio, there will be no commentary. Commentary starts 1 hour earlier at present time. So this is my schedule for every day. For GBP AXA MTS. AXA GBP has to take this liquidity level. For now it has shown a reversal from this particular mitigation, this particular order block, this order block here. It has shown a rejection, but again I think this liquidity level is good. This liquidity level is good to be traded into. We received the reaction of this downward momentum from this particular order block, this order block. So I have already taken my partials here and here. So I will just wait until my stops hit or my TP hits. I have moved my stop from break even to here, this area. Where are you from? Where do you think I am from? Where do you think I am from? I live in UAE, but I am not from UAE. This this was the order block which sent prices too lower, but it never gave break of structure here. Now this particular order block is again trying to send prices down, but for me this liquidity level is good. Danny, thank you very much for your trust. I am planning to start a mentorship program which I will announce maybe by next week, hopefully. So you can join that. And I do live every day. So whether we take good trades or we take bad trades, we learn every day. So if you want to be part of mentorship, you can. Whoever wants to be a part of mentorship, they can show the interest in comment section. I am planning to announce it next week. After that liquidity, will market reverse continuation? Can you tell how can we know that after sweep market will reverse or continue? Answer please. Aksa, the thing is, we have to understand the market structure. Yesterday, if you will see my live which I did yesterday, and around this time, around the ending last 2 hours, you will see I explained something. I will try to explain it again one more time. Normally, price is doing this on a higher time frame we are talking about. So this is my external liquidity. This, for this particular price swing, this is external liquidity. This is external liquidity and this is external liquidity. Now once price moves from we have to always remember this. So either price is moving from external to internal or it is moving from internal to external. Now I have marked my external liquidity. External liquidity is mostly on highs or lows. Internal, now let's discuss about internal liquidity. In any price action, for example, this is one price leg, there will be some fair value gap, some order blocks. If this is order block, I will mark fair value gap from here. This is internal liquidity areas. Okay. So whenever you see price action, price is doing what? Price is taking external, then taking internal, or first it is taking internal, then taking external. In an uptrend, price will take external, then will come back to take something here. It is an order block or fair value gap. So this is internal. Then it will go to from internal to external. This is your external liquidity which it created. Then after taking out external, it will create another external liquidity, come back down, take internal liquidity, and then again it will start to go up and it will take external liquidity. After taking external liquidity, again it has to repeat its pattern. So after taking external liquidity, it will create liquidity here, come back down to take something from internal liquidity. Then again it will go back up to take. So this is an uptrend. Now on a smaller time frame, the way to trade is whenever price is taking internal liquidity, you take you take a buy trade towards external liquidity. So if we see our this GBPUSD price leg, this is my price leg. So it took this relative equal highs which were on a higher time frame. If we will see, we will be able to find it. So price took external, then what price has to do? Price has to go towards internal side. So it has taken internal. Now what price has to do? Price has to go to external. This is one thing. This is the basic price movement. Other than that, price is not doing anything else. Okay. So internal liquidity areas are fair value gaps or order blocks. This is my order block indication. This blue box is my demand zone, or you can say demand zone. I'm from Nigeria. Nice to meet you, Danny. So we have to understand this. First, once we have understood this, then after taking out of external liquidity, we have to look for reversal signs. What are the reversal signs? Market structure shift, some kind of candle patterns. See, normally smart money traders say that nothing other than their methodology is working in the market. Their methodology is very good, but everything is working in the market. That is why there are a lot of retail traders who are trading candle patterns. There are a lot of retail traders who are trading trade and support resistance lines, channels. So everything works, and everything doesn't work on when it is not on its correct location. This is the reality. So what I look for, once I mark the internal and external liquidity levels, then I look for the price movement from where it can reverse. So my Euro USD is already out, so I am not bothering with it. This down move is the fake move. I was expecting this one to come up to here. My stops. Let me check my trade, what happened. Aksar, do let me know if you understood this. If not, no problem. I will explain again. Both of my trades are off now. Not good. I think this is fake move down. Everybody is waiting for reversals. I do not think this is correct move. Price has to go back up. Similarly, this drop right here, I do not believe in this one. Price has to go up. So on a smaller time frame, if we will look, this is your price leg. It has taken, it created this liquidity here first. This is your price leg. It created, went inside, internal, took this one, and now it has taken this one also. So this is an indication of break of structure also. But this is 1 minute chart. This is my 5-minute chart. And on 5 minutes, let me see this 5 minutes. It will go up. I think from here or from here. Let's see the reaction here and then we will close the stream. I am already out, so no point in waiting here. Thank you for your answers. What will be the scenario after Asia liquidity sweep? If market is uptrend, so will it take liquidity then reverse? I always confuse after liquidity sweep. Will it continue or reverse? How to know? I like now price took London liquidity. What are the things that tell you about reversal or continuation? I understand your concern. So I took this buy. Let me show you here. I took this buy here, and I was expecting price to go up today. I took this buy, and my stop got hit. But if you look closely, what has happened? This is a liquidity level, internal liquidity. After this liquidity grab, price has done what? After the liquidity grab, price went up, gave break of structure. Immediately I marked this level. This is new demand zone which can work, and price can reverse from here. So once the liquidity grab has been done, you have to look for the change of state of delivery. Type of candles, like these candles, these are 5 candle pattern, 5 wick candle pattern. There is a candle pattern for reversal also. So you can look for either candle patterns, whatever your eye is catching. So the easiest is change in state of delivery. So once your liquidity has been taken out, then you have to look for change in state of delivery. Now the thing is, if for example I was buying from here, but after grabbing of this liquidity level, this is the change of state of delivery, and this is the order block from where a person can short. Stop loss is here. This will be your stop, and next target will be this liquidity level. So this is also 1:5. You are getting my point. This is what I do. After every liquidity grab, I look for break of structures. Mostly this is what I do. Other things also, because of the time I have spent in market, so my eyes are catching different things also, which add some confluences. further. So with time you will also learn this. But of course, it took me 8 years to learn everything and become full-time trader. For you it will take lesser time if you have a mentor with you. This is another buy. From here to here, it is 1:3 itself. For me, it is a buy. So when I see a trade, I take it. That's it. Only thing what you have to do is you have to keep your risk to reward ratio minimum 1:3. Break of structure in 1 minute, 5 minutes, or what? So it also depends that what kind of liquidity it has taken. If it has taken the liquidity on 1 hour, this is the liquidity grab on 1 hour. So the break of structure also has to happen on 1 hour. If it is taking liquidity on 1 minute, this liquidity has been taken on 1 minute. Break of structure has to happen on 1 minute. So it is very much time dependent. So what normally smart money traders do, they mark the liquidity level of 4 hour, for example, and they skip one level. It means you see here, this is daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. So if I am marking my liquidity levels on 4 hour, then I will not consider 1 minute market structure shift after liquidity grab. I will consider only 15-minute market structure shift after liquidity grab, and I will take 1:3 or 1:4 trade. That's it. So this can help you out. From in your charts, use 1 hour, because I think you are also intraday trader. I am also intraday trader. Mostly I take help from 1 hour chart. Sometimes if 1 hour is not clear, so at that time I will take help from 4 hour also. People say 15-minute market sweep, then have confidence in 1 to 5 minute break of structure. Yeah, it is. This is what I am telling you. If you are marking your liquidity level at 1 hour, then you can trade 5-minute market structure shift. If you are marking your liquidity levels on 15 minutes, then you can trade 1 minute. But try to avoid, when you are learning, do not trade it. Try to avoid 1 minute chart when you are learning, because you will have a lot of unnecessary losses. So the best is 1 hour, 5 minutes. Mark your liquidity levels at 1 hour, and 5-minute break of structure you can trade. If you guys have any question, let me know. I took another small trade here. And my first partial can be here or here. It can be here. And GBP can come at least up to this level. So guys, if you have, thank you for clearing my, no problem, no problem. Your concepts will clear only after a lot of back testing. You will develop your own concepts after a lot of back testing. Back test a lot. Once you complete your back testing, then you start forward testing on live market conditions without real money, only mark trades. Guys, please like this live stream. It helps a lot in viewership, and I think we should call it a day. This is the extreme TP 1.16846. This is the entry, this is the stop loss. This red zone is a stop loss. Once price moves away from this particular my alert, then I will put stop to here. It means I will break it even. And one more thing, this is very important. This is your partial at 1:1.5. Partial is very important. I need a fair value gap here. If I do not get a fair value gap now, then price can go down. Still no fair value gap. No fair value gap means not a lot of momentum. We will see if this price is going to give me a fair value gap. Otherwise, I am feeling hungry. I will close this trade and I will go eat something. Not ready. No fair value gap. Now I need fair value gap from here. Good. So now I am moving my stop to break even. This fair value gap has to be. No, no, I do not sit all day. This is the benefit of becoming a trader. You do not have to sit all day. You come in, you make some money, you go. Then you leave the chart to print. Once all the conditions are as per your setup requirement, then you execute. Sometimes this gap down is very bad. Sometimes what happen, you do not get a trade for whole day, and then that's it. And sometimes you get good trades. Then after some time you will start to get better trades. This drop is not good. I do not sit all day, but I keep a chart open. Not one chart, I keep multiple charts open. So whatever I am doing, I can see my charts. I can do the marking also. What should I learn to be profitable? Just liquidity sweep concept or something else? Please have a roadmap. How much time have you spent in this trading journey? First, let me know this. How much time? Since how long you are trading? Market is